This is our tomato paste. You see this. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. This is nice and wow, I like the taste. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I want to prepare tomato paste. Here is my tomato. This is beetroot. So join us as we're about to prepare this. Beetroot. So you see the particle on it. We are going to pour it inside this pot. So we are not going to cover it. We leave it open. So as you see, the water is about to dry. Okay, so please, if you are just seeing us for the first time, help us to subscribe, share our video with your friends and family. This is our tomato paste. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. So our tomato paste is ready. So I want to pop the fire. You see this. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comments. This is our tomato paste. So I want to pour it inside this sieve plate. Allow the water to come. This is our tomato paste. You see this? Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. This is nice and wow, I like the taste. So this tomato, this is blood tonic, okay, for the tomato paste. Thank you very much. This is nice. You see the color. Wow, this is nice. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. That is how we prepare our tomato paste. Bye bye. Philip, you want to take? Come and take spoon. Small. There you go. I'll call you later. Eh?
Mama, get the water.